Do you ever wonder what the lifestyles of Hollywood's biggest stars really look like? Are you curious about how they spend their massive fortunes and what kinds of luxuries they indulge in? Well, get ready to be transported into the world of the rich and famous as we take a closer look at the extravagant lifestyle of one of Hollywood's most iconic stars, Jamie Foxx. From his luxurious homes to his impressive car collection and lavish vacations, we're about to reveal it all. So, are you ready to dive into the opulent world of Jamie Foxx? Born Eric Marlin Bishop in Terrell, Texas on December 13, 1967, Foxx changed his name to Jamie Foxx when he began performing stand-up comedy in the late 1980s. He got his big break in the entertainment industry when he was cast in the sketch comedy series In Living Color in 1991. From there, he went on to become a successful actor, comedian, and singer, winning numerous awards, including an Oscar and a Grammy. With his net worth estimated to be at $100 million, Foxx has taken his responsibility of living decadently very seriously. His primary residence is a stunning Mediterranean-style villa located in the Hidden Valley area of Los Angeles. He purchased this 17,000 square foot home in 2007 for a whopping $10.5 billion. The home was built in 1995 on more than 40 acres of land and boasts 10 bedrooms, multiple bathrooms, 2 fireplaces, dual master baths with a sauna and balcony, and a spacious 5-car garage. Of course, being a Los Angeles mansion, it also features an Olympic-sized swimming pool, outdoor cabanas, and double guest houses. While Foxx doesn't share many pictures of his home, we do know that it features an impressive recording studio, where the likes of Brandy, Kelly Rowland, Swizz Beatz, Drake, and P. Diddy have all recorded music. The studio is an ode to Foxx's love for music, and it has become one of the coolest rooms in all of California. Aside from his family-friendly residence, Foxx also owns a legendary party house. He purchased his 5,428 square foot home in Tarzana for a mere $930,000 back in 1997. The outside of the home may not be that impressive, but once you step inside, you'll find a home fit for a future star. It features 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, a game room, a home theater, and a recording studio. And of course, it boasts an enormous pool and pool house. Foxx's extravagant lifestyle doesn't end there. He also has an impressive car collection that includes a Bugatti Veyron, Mercedes G-Class SUV, a Rezvani tank, a Van der Hall Venice, a Lamborghini Gallardo, and a McLaren 570S. His Bugatti Veyron is perhaps his most prized possession. Foxx customized it with a gold paint job, which can cost thousands of dollars. The Veyron features an 8-liter, 16-cylinder engine with 1,200 horsepower. Its top speed is 267 miles per hour, and it can go from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. Foxx's love for the G-Class SUV is evident too, as he wrapped it in his signature style, making it look like a golden tank. And let's not forget about Foxx's love for travel. He's been spotted flying on a private jet, which can cost up to $8,000 per flying hour. The nicest of these services provide amenities like a private dining area, top-shelf dining options, and even your own bed. Foxx has been known to fly with his daughters, who are his top choices for travel companions. As impressive as Jamie Foxx's mansion is, it's not the only legendary part of his lifestyle. Foxx's car collection is one of the most impressive in Hollywood. His Bugatti Veyron is one of the stars of the collection, painted in a distinctive gold color that makes it stand out even more. The Veyron is one of the fastest and most expensive cars in the world, with a top speed of over 250 miles per hour and a price tag of around $2 million. Foxx's Mercedes G-Class SUV was combined with a golden paint job and other luxury features. The vehicle is the perfect blend of ruggedness and luxury, with a turbocharged V8 engine and all-wheel drive. Foxx is not content to stick to traditional cars, however. He also owns a unique 3-wheeled car called the Van der Hall Venice. This car has a fuel-efficient 1.4-liter engine that produces 200 horsepower and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. Foxx's other notable cars include a Lamborghini Gallardo and a McLaren 570S. Both of these cars are incredibly fast and powerful, with top speeds of over 200 miles per hour and acceleration times of just a few seconds. In addition to his impressive homes and cars, Jamie Foxx also has a passion for travel. He's been known to fly on private jets, which can cost thousands of dollars per hour to charter. Foxx has been seen flying on a Jet Lux private jet, which offers luxurious amenities such as a private dining area and top-shelf dining options. Despite his taste for luxury, Foxx is a down-to-earth guy who enjoys spending time with his family. He often takes his daughters on vacation, and they have been spotted on luxury yachts and enjoying other high-end travel experiences. Perhaps one of the most surprising things about Jamie Foxx is his love for horses. He has been known to ride horses both on and off the screen, and even owns his own horse that he received as a birthday gift. Foxx is a skilled rider and has even gifted horses to his friends, including Robert Downey Jr. Horses are not cheap to care for, however, and Foxx undoubtedly spends a lot of money on his equestrian hobbies. Despite his extravagant lifestyle, Jamie Foxx is not just a famous celebrity who spends money on frivolous things. He is also a philanthropist who has given back to his community in many ways. He has supported various charities and causes over the years, including the Stand Up to Cancer campaign, the Haiti earthquake relief efforts, and the Trayvon Martin Foundation. Foxx is also an advocate for education and has spoken out about the importance of staying in school and pursuing a college degree. In conclusion, Jamie Foxx is one of Hollywood's most iconic stars with an extravagant lifestyle. He owns luxury homes, an impressive car collection, and loves to travel to exotic destinations. Despite all of his success, he remains a humble and grounded individual who is dedicated to his family and philanthropic work. Whether you're a fan of his music, movies, or comedy, Jamie Foxx is an inspiration to us all. He has overcome many obstacles to become the successful actor, comedian, and musician he is today. He has shown that with hard work, dedication, and a never-give-up attitude, that anything is possible. If you are fascinated by Jamie Foxx's extravagant lifestyle and want to learn more about the rich and famous, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Don't miss out on the latest updates on the lives of your favorite celebrities and their opulent lifestyles. So join us on this journey and stay tuned for more.